we got a grind to go. It's a long way. So this calorie deficit is something that it's catching up to me a little bit. We've been eating out a lot. There's been a lot of celebrations, trying to move around a little bit, clean up, straighten up, especially when we're like on vacation right now, just trying to, keep the calories down. Is hard because we're kind of sitting around a little bit. I've had a number of refeeds, and that's not something that I talked a lot about, but pretty much what happens is as you deplete the body kind of fast, it wants to kind of save some energy or consume more idle. So I'm doing what I call mandatory movement and just kind of walking around, every so often, getting up and down, not just staying seated.
All right. Woo. Look, I got that wow. Who wants some hands up right now? We got that, turn it up loud. I know you're wondering how. I got that wow. Here I go, coming. I can't ever stop, I'm a tour de force running. Get me to the top, I don't need an invitation. Knock, knock. I'm about to start a celebration, let me in. Brought a good time plus some friends. Turn it up loud past 10. Turning up the crowd when I hit them with the pow. Yeah, the party never ends, cause if you want that, whoa, I can give you more. Come on, yeah, let's go. If you want that, whoa, I can give you more. Come on, yeah, let's go. I got that wow. Who wants some hands up right now? We got that, turn it up loud. I know you're wondering how. I got that yippee, yeah, that's on me. Homie, yo, my God, I'm on geeks. Breaknecks when I strut to my own beat. Yeah, I'm putting on a show when it's all free. Ay, catch me in the spotlight. I can't get enough, do this all night, alright? All likes, no hate. Ay, ay. Gas me up, no breaks. Wait. If you want that, whoa, I can give you more. Come on, yeah, let's go. I got that wow. Who wants some hands up right now? We got that, turn it up loud. I know you're wondering how. I got that wow. I got that wow.
I believe celebrations are something that are really important, and I do think you need those breaks and refeeds, or those opportunities where you can say eat a little bit more, rest a little bit more, recover. So I'm just kind of doing what I can. This week to me is kind of a wash, hoping potentially to make it back up in future weeks, but I don't really know because we're going to be traveling again. I think my time's up. Till the next video, take care. Peace out.